Your game master informs you that your wizard has been raised to the 8th level, and that it's time you learn how to cast spells for real. Your intense occult training through role-playing games and painting figurines has prepared you to accept an invitation to the Witches' Coven located fathoms below the Feminist Bookstore. They bring you before a council of old crones wearing baggy hoodies and toe rings who accept you as a real mage and teach you their craft. You cast your first spell on your parents to stop them from forcing you to move out and get a real job. Walking back to the bookstore, you find a comic strip about Jesus and promptly forget about the whole thing. The next day, you throw all your expensive games, figurines, and expansion modules into the trash. However, even now, you are bothered by the occult overtones of this sound effects record and wonder if somehow you are still going to hell.